Tommy, what are they doing? And that other big one just came in. It's like it cleared the way for these. That's what it did. It cleared the path.
I'm not guessing they're running exercises. They could do that in the desert.
Maybe Joe Biden's on one of those.
That's not president. It's the president.
Yeah.
It's an escort.
Could
That's
be
a military escort with the first one on the boat is different. The other one's through.
Could be our pal Gavin Newsom.
Yeah, yeah. He's playing golf in Palos Verdes.
Yeah. Fighting the recall there, golfing here, brunching there. The vineyards. Buckets. Fish boy. Fish curry.
This guy's actually small.
They're excited. He's pulling, he's pulling. He smells buckets. He's going to work. Oh, he's spinning and winning.
Oh, here comes Jake saying, what was that?
Yeah. That was a trip.
They don't know it.
No. There's Jer. Jer's getting some buckets. Get him, Jer. Reverse layup. Good game. Good games out here. Still some tents out here. Come camp out, work on your game. All right, let's get a couple more shots up. We'll keep it herbal. See, these guys came. They got the good runs. Just come on out and DIY. Make it happen. Too bad we didn't get that first Chinook. Yeah, I think it was scary.